Let's see how to fix FPS drops and stuttering in games. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. First, let's do a quick optimization. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click it and apply the changes. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives and click Optimize. Search for Disk Cleanup Recommendations. Open it and clean up the suggested files. Just make sure you don't delete anything important. Right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable everything marked as Enabled. Search for Change the resolution of the display and set the refresh rate to the highest your monitor supports. Search for Game Mode settings and turn the option on. Search for Notifications and disable them. Type %appdata% in the search bar and delete as many files as possible. Close everything you're not actively using. Now let's check for a bottleneck in your system. Search GPU Bottleneck Calculator on Google and use any tool that calculates it. Select your CPU, GPU, and monitor resolution to see if a bottleneck exists. If there's a bottleneck, that means one component is limiting your overall performance. Like a weak GPU paired with a strong CPU. Ideally, you'd replace the limiting component. But if you can't, let's do everything possible to fix the FPS drops. Reinstall your graphics drivers. Whether you're using NVIDIA or AMD, I'll leave both links in the description. Open any game. I'll use CS2 as an example. Go to Graphics Settings. Turn off or lower shadows. Disable anti-aliasing. Set textures to the lowest setting. Turn off ambient occlusion. Turn off VSync. Cap the FPS to your monitor's refresh rate. If it's 120 Hz, limit the game to 120 frames per second. Minimize the game without closing it. Open Task Manager, go to the Details tab. Find your game, right-click it, select Set Priority, and choose High. Search for Graphics Settings. Find your game, click on it, and set it to High Performance. Search for Settings, go to Gaming, then Captures and turn everything off. Go back to Gaming, click on Game Bar, and disable that too. Right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, and end any unnecessary processes you're not using. As an extra step, power off your PC, unplug it, and clean out all the dust from inside, especially around the fans. After that, make sure the PC is placed in a cool area with space around it, not up against a wall. Another recommendation is to install your games on an SSD instead of an HDD. SSDs are much faster and load game textures more efficiently. You could also consider upgrading your RAM. If the FPS drops still persist, you can reinstall Windows, but this time with a gaming-optimized version. One example is Kernel OS, which is lightweight and stripped of unnecessary features for better performance. If this video helped you, subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.